Chapter 5.4, example number 2, solving for independent variable. We are going to solve this for x. So what is given here? So write the function hx equals 2 over 3 x minus 5. Now we have given with hx equals negative 7. So negative 7 equals 2 over 3 x minus 5. To solve for x, we need to get rid of the 3 from the bottom. So what we can do is multiply the each term by 3. So multiply the each term by 3. You get here is negative 21 equals 3 and 3 cancel. You get 2x minus 15. Now you're going to add 15 on both sides. You get here is negative 6 equals 2x. Divide with 2 on both sides, x equals negative 3. So the input value or independent variable value came out as negative 3. Chapter 5.4, example number 2, you try problem number 3. So what is given here is fx value. So you're going to substitute fx as 21 and then you're going to solve for x. So you're going to subtract 9 from both sides. So you're going to get 21 minus 9 is going to be 12 equals 6x. Divide by 6 on both sides. You're going to get x equals 2. For number 4, you're going to use gx as negative 1 and going to solve for x. To remove the 2 from the bottom, you're going to multiply each term by 2 and that will cancel the 2 from the bottom. So you get negative 2 equals x plus 6 and then subtract 6 on both sides, x equals negative 8. For number 5, you're going to use gx as 14 and plug it in here. Now 14 equals negative 3x minus 1 plus 1 on both sides. You get 15 equals negative 3x. Divide with negative 3 on both sides. You get x equals negative 5. For number 6, for fx, you're going to plug it in as negative 16 and you're going to look for x. So you're going to subtract 4 on both sides. Negative 20 equals negative x. Divide both sides by negative 1 or just cancel these two negatives on both sides. You get x equals 20.